The Maverick feels compelled to do a COVID 10 on your yard commentary this evening. Because at a time when Jamaicans are supposed to be united in this fight against this wicked virus, we have picked up some of the usual political and classist divisions that are weakening what is supposed to be a united effort against this rampaging enemy. People have been calling for a complete lockdown of the country as the best way to arrest the spread of this virus. But it's not that simple. Look what happened with the St. Catherine lockdown. People start panic and run up and down. Western Union line block up, supermarket block up, all hell broke loose. And of course, the elite upper class response was, them people you don't see, them have no behavior. Lock them up and dash with the key. So the people with them fridge and them deep freeze full of meat and them cupboard full of food, showing no empathy for the sufferer who hustle hand to mouth to put them pot on fire. So when the country locked down for 7 of the 14 days and the people now have no money in their pocket and no food in their house, what am I going to do for 14 days? Jamaica, we have to understand each other's plight and share the responsibility. Everybody have to play their part. Government, opposition, uptown, downtown, rich and poor, orange and green. The only way we can win this war is as one united Jamaica, doing the right things, social distancing, washing and sanitizing regularly, and as much as possible, turn a uno yard